Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use dual messenger on Samsung Galaxy smartphones. To enable this feature, first you're gonna have to download the messenger that you want to use. For example, in my case, I downloaded and installed WhatsApp. Then after this, you're gonna have to sign in to your WhatsApp account in this application. But you can do this later at any moment. Right now, what we're gonna have to do to enable dual messenger is go to settings, then navigate down to advanced features menu, and in this menu, let's scroll down to the very bottom of the list, find dual messenger feature here, and then switch the toggle to the right next to the application you want a second messenger for. Then tap install to confirm, and this will install the second copy of this application, which you will be able to find on your app screen. And here you can sign in to a separate account. Besides, you can also use a separate contacts list for this copy. To do that, just switch the toggle to the right, and here in the use separate contacts list menu, tap select contacts and then tap add to add contacts that you want to use for this account. Then tap done. And that's how you do it. Now you just have to sign in to separate accounts in both of your applications. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.